Today's episode, we're going to be changing the headlamp bulb on this 2008 Chevy Impala. So this is daytime running light, and it is the outside. That's your brights. So we're going to be replacing both sides with LED. And this is the side we're going to start on. All right, should be an easy job. We're going to do a 7mm in our Auxito LED bulbs. I'm going to remove this 7mm bolt. I like to use a magnetic bowl right here just so you don't lose any of your stuff. Next is this plastic clip it's going to pull up on, and this whole lamp assembly should pull right out. All right, so we're doing this outside. We're just going to twist these out of there and pull this tab, unplug it, and then we're just going to twist this out. So there is your old one. All right, I'm going to unbox these. Oh, it does come with some gloves, so let's stop and put those on. Our gloves on. Set these up. Those look pretty nice. I'm just going to plug these in outside and just twist them right on in. That's it. That's locked. Okay, don't forget to put the plastic cover back on. Locks in. All right, now we're going to line up this metal bracket in the back first. Okay, this is going to be inside, and then slide that down, and that's locked in. And we'll go to our nut. All right, now we'll put our bolt back in place. We'll compare these. Just start it like that. Okay, just tighten this last bolt, and this side will be done. It's that easy. I wish they made bonding cards with those clips like that were that easy to put in. All right, that side is in. It is ultra bright, and this is the old side. Repeat the same step. All right, there's the old halogen bulb and the new LED. Okay, that's it for my Auxito headlamp bulb replacement LED. They're both super, super bright. Probably takes 5 minutes each side. So thanks for watching.